Talofa everyone, welcome back to Samoan for Kids. Today we are learning about school items. In Samoan we say Mea Aoga. Kids, are you ready? Yeah! Let's go! This is a picture of a school bag. School bag in Samoan we say Ato Aoga. Let's say it together. Ato Aoga. One more time. Ato Aoga. This is a picture of a school book. School book in Samoan we say Api Aoga. Let's say it together. Api Aoga. One more time. Api Aoga. This is a picture of a pencil. Pencil in Samoan we say Penitala. Say it with me, Penitala. One more time, Penitala. These are pictures of crayons. Crayon in Samoan we say Penivali. Let's say it together, Penivali. One more time, Penivali. This is a picture of a school desk. School desk we say it Kesi Aoga. Say it with me, Kesi Aoga. One more time, Kesi Aoga. This is a picture of a rubber or an eraser. Rubber eraser we say it Titina. Say it with me, Titina. One more time, Titina. This is a picture of a school ruler. A school ruler in Samoa we say it Vase. Say it with me, Vase. One more time, Vase. Are you ready to count all our school items? Okay, let's go. Ato Aoga. Ato Aoga. Api Aoga. Api Aoga. Penitala. Penitala. Penivali. Penivali. Kesi Aoga. Kesi Aoga. Titina. Titina. Vase. Vase. Good job everyone. You're doing amazing. Yeah! See you in our next lesson.